What's up, everybody? Today's video will be a big, big video because we are playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. I just bought every single one. Playtime Chapter 2, Poppy Playtime for free. But today, you're going to be seeing me play the new one. It's going to take about an hour to probably load, so I'll see you then. Now, I'm going to save this for later. But right now, we are going to be playing... what are we going to be playing? We're going to be playing Teardown. Don't know what Teardown is. One minute, I think it stopped downloading. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be a long time. But for now, we are going to be playing Teardown. No, please don't mind my character. It's a little today we are going to be doing the Titanic. One minute, let me just go ahead. Our manager. T. Titanic. Here it is. Oh, 1 minute, guys. Let me turn off my. Alright, guys, I turned off my TV, so you should not be hearing it in the background. Let me check on Poppy Playtime to make sure it's downloading. Yep, it's downloading. My stick. Go! 1 minute. This is the wrong one. There's 2 Titanics on here, and I think I just picked the wrong one. Oh, 1 minute. Titanic. Because there's 2. R's. Here it is, the actual version of the Titanic. It's the most famous one. Titanic. We are going to be doing Sandbox in daytime. Shout out to Clone Joe Kane on YouTube. I'll probably leave that in the description for you to find. A minute. Yeah, I found it. It's actually Sick Himco. Shout out to Sick Himco. If he's watching this video, he has moved. So RIP Sick Himco. I haven't subscribed to him on YouTube. I need a good thumbs up for this. Can you hear me? I don't know if you can. Because my mic was too far away. You're gonna see me role-playing a lot, so yeah. Imagine you're just a pilot and you get locked in here. Alright, buddy. Like, for some reason, I hate the campaign of this. It sucks. Like, it is so hard and stressful. If you agree, like and subscribe. If you don't agree, like and subscribe. If you don't want to like and subscribe, like and subscribe. I don't care what you do right now. Just like and subscribe, buddy. Or Queso's gonna come to your house and sit on you. I said sit, not the S word. And if any of you nerds think I said the S word. But yeah, I didn't. I said sit. Queso's gonna sit on you. Not... Anyways. You'll also do that too. If you don't like and subscribe. And Queso hasn't eaten in a while. If you're a friend of Queso, send this to him. But I'm sure he's gonna like this. Oh no! How are we gonna steer this shit now? Okay, I legitimately can't get out. What if I just... Oh shoot. Oh shoot. How are we gonna get out of here? It's burning. For real, it's burning. For real, it's burning. Get out of here. Okay, buddy. Alright, everyone get off the ship. What's that? All the boats are destroyed. Oh, who gives a frick? Yeah, you really thought I was gonna do the effort? Fun, no. Oh. Ain't nobody getting off the ship now. Oh. What if I just do this? We would just go in here and go like this. Wait! I always wondered what was going on here. Nothing going on here, buddy. Just the fuel engine. We're sinking. No, no. Oh my god, is that the abyss? 1 minute. Let's get the C4 out. Explosion size all the way up. Time between explosions, 0. Where do I run? Go, go, go! You ready for this, guys? It's gonna be sick. Not like sick, like the gross kind. It's gonna be sick. Oh my god. I had to take a few screenshots of that. Oh no, what is this? I wonder what it could be. Oh shoot. I just started a whirlpool into the technique. Let me out of here! Please! Let me out of here! Oh. running. Oh, shit. Man, I curse word. Stop. I hope you know, I always loved you. You're such good fans, but you didn't subscribe enough. Out of there. Going in. Our slogan is, if your family burns, we like birds. Who cares if your family burns? It ain't our fault, it's the fire. Alright, bro, don't burn your home. And if your family dies by fire, I'm so sorry, but I actually feel bad for you. But for the Titanic, it's on fire. Dead. Is it still downloading? Not enough free. 1 minute, I have to delete one. What game should I delete? Just running. I'm gonna delete Terrora. Manage. Terraro, I'm sorry, but you're getting like what game should I delete? Subnautica, I'm sorry. Just weren't good enough. Or there's no way we don't have any. I'm so bad for this. Okay, that should be enough. I swear to God, there's not enough space. I'm going to delete my whole PC, bro. Oh my God. This is gonna be a long day. Okay. POV. When I talk about. Now, how about we spawn some monsters onto the Titanic? You. are you not dead? Stop falling. Stop. I'll save you. That wasn't even part of the Titanic, buddy. A little bit of the Titanic. I probably question this, but... What? How is it being held up by makes no sense. Well, I get what's holding it up. Nothing! That's what's holding it up. Alright, I swear to God, if this little ladder is holding it up, something stupid is holding it up. I'm gonna end that video here, guys. If you like to, please like and subscribe. You will not know how many times I said it today. 70% done. I can't wait that long. I'll see you in 18 hours. Probably. Why? But stop the video. Stop.